Hello everybody, this will kind of go hand in hand with the previous video on the interesting light finds from 1984. Has to do with the window candeliers. I'm going to test those today. These are already set up from Halloween. I just replaced them with the Gen 1 C7 lamps from the 1930s. They're a combination of GE and Westinghouse, but they all look about the same. So I'm going to plug those in and we'll have a look at them. Alright, here they are illuminated. Don't think the camera can possibly pick up how deep these blue ones are. There's the 8 tier. One of them, I should say. I have a second one which used to be here. And here is the second 3 tier. Just can't quite capture what those look like. They do look fantastic though. So let's move on to the next ones. My next window to work on will be this one with the GE Stardust. And then I have the 2 3-tiered window candeliers that go in each window here. And that will complete the look here. Okay, for this front window, these are populated with GE Glow Bright from Korea. Let's see if they work. That one's fine. Uh-oh. Got a little burnout there. And I do run these on reduced voltage. So here are some replacements. See what this one looks like. Yep, that'll work. So the ones in the front window are ready to go. Only one burnout there today. Next up on the window candeliers are the 5 tiers that go in these 2 front windows. Let's see what we got here. There's that one. Got some lamps. There's a couple that I can't have the light bulbs in because they're too tall for the box. Let's see what we got with the, if any lights are burned out or not. Okay. Got 2 out on this one. I just happen to have 2 replacement bulbs. That one's a little iffy at best. That one's a little dimmer than I would like. That one's kind of a little bit sketchy, but I have more. That one's pretty good. I'm going to switch that one out. Yeah, that's better. A little bit more evenly illuminated. So yeah, I'll go throw those in the windows and we'll be set there. Okay, here's the next pair. I'm pretty sure these go in my office. And they do. Most definitely. And these were actually my late grandmother's. Let's see what these will do. These also have the older style plug, plus non-polarized. Just have to be a little more careful with them. That's all. And here is the 3rd lamp for that one. It works. for that one. The GE Glow Bright from Korea. So go put these in. And finally, the last two. These are going in the south window of the guest bedroom. Let's see what they're going to do this year. And most of these in these boxes are from 1984 or thereabouts. Awesome. And awesome. But that one's not too much longer for this world, but I'll let it go until it blows out. So now to put these last two in the side window, I'll have to put them both in one window for right now because it's pretty hot today and I've got the box fan going. So they'll be close together for a little bit, and then when it's cool enough to take the fan out, I will move one of them back to the second window. Let's take a look at the window candeliers in service for 2025. This is in the front window in front of the laundry room. I've got this 8-tiered window candelier, kind of the sine wave looking one, and I have got the True Tone Classic Color blues in here just because where it's at, and wanted to have cool burning lamps in it, so that'll work perfect for this application. They do look pretty nice. Don't know that we could get a true representation of them. There it is, turned all the way down to the negative 3.0, the exposure rate. Get a little better representation. Next are these Gen 1 Mazda GE and Westinghouse lamps from the 1930s in the front window in the living room. Looking very nice. Go all the way down with the exposure, and still doesn't quite show how deep blue these are. Those look fantastic. Here are the 3-tiered window candeliers with the GE Glow Brights from Korea from the 80s. 5-tier window candelier in the front window, number 1, with the GE Glow Brights, USA made from the 1980s. Hey now, I think we have a technical difficulty here. I bet that's that one that was acting wonky the other day. When I was testing these out. So we'll go swap that out right quick and come back over here and look at it again. That's better. So that's the second 5-tier window candelier with GE Glow Brights from the 1980s. Here's that south side window. And like I said, box fans in the window because it got warm again. So I've got these paired up in this one window. When it cools down, I'll move one back over there. These are the ones that were my late grandmother's. The one on the right's got the GE Glow Brights from Korea from the 80s. And then these are the Noma style from the late 78 to 82, I believe these were manufactured, with the flat tips on the lamps. So once again, testing and putting the window candeliers into service for 2025 Christmas season. Thank you for watching.